I hate 4Cs. Please.
You tried liking forces.
No. FTO.
Ah, that might be a problem.
Destroyed my brain. Excuse me? What? Oh my... Oh... There we go. Where was it? This?
Fractal, would you like a tip?
Yeah, wait, no.
Okay.
I am... Yes, I'm... No, I know how to solve this. It's just that I'm having a massive skill issue just by, like, looking at things. I can't look at things. I can move things around. But I can't, like, see. Okay, there we go. There we go.
The weather's been so warm in the UK lately.
Mm-hmm. As we were talking about before, how warm it's been. It's hit 30 over here. Don't know what
Yeah, I
it's like
think
for
it's
you.
30 over here too.
Just unacceptable.
It's funny because one of my housemates is from Spain, and it keeps saying how this is like
This is
fairly warm.
Yeah, but the infrastructure's not built for it is the thing. Like, y'all don't have AC everywhere.
And all of our buildings are designed to trap heat because it's usually so cold.
Yeah. That's what's awful about it.
That's what kills you. It's not that it's too hot, it's that you're in a stuffy hot box that's trying to keep you warm
Yeah.
the whole time. Same before I got carpets, I got thick walls, I got thick covers, I got big pillows and stuff everywhere. All trying to trap heat. Keep it nice and warm. And it still gets colder in the winter.
Oh, pre-curve, but actually no. I'm just... Oh my gosh. My eyes are just...
There's a nice way of solving this one.
I probably know, but I don't know. This setup is just bricked? No.
Wrong way.
Wrong way, wrong way. I may just... Yeah, okay. It's really my eyes are not eyeing it, not my brain is not brain.
It happens.
Red sucker, so...
Yeah, that one.
think I just do this and then one of the twists works.
There was a simpler way, but
One of those snacks.
Smack.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Wrong way. Wait. There. I actually don't care, it's like this.
to be fair, if it's flipped, you can just like attach it
flipped-
to the flipped bit. That might actually be better.
Yes,
Well,
it
putting
is.
Attach
the
it and then-
2C triplet in flip, yeah, it's always better.
That is the
You
strat.
have to
If,
figure it out anyway.
if you're doing triplets like that, that's what you should do.
Yeah. You do that. Well, sometimes.
For almost every case, it's either equal or better. I think there's like one case where it's worse.
Oh.
And even then, it isn't actually.
I will say visually it's a bit of a mess.
Oh yeah. So much is on these puzzles. A lot of the optimal strats are just like confusing and weird.
What are you looking at? That's why it's important that you solve the puzzle a lot of times so that you're comfortable with what it looks like and how it works.
True. But also, I want to solve it.
But a lot of the things about being able to parse what you're looking at are still true just for all the other 4D puzzles and for a lot of the 5D plus puzzles as well. So,
I'm wondering, what's the fastest way to take this guy out? That's just,
What
like,
I would
interesting.
probably do. This probably might not be the best way, but rotate F like left. Oh, do wait
I do it with...
FY prime
I
and then
Oh wait.
And just twist it over, yeah. That's probably
yeah,
the...
just it that way, and then do RKT on R to like move it,
Yes, no.
and then
You could do that. What I would probably do is I'd probably just do the IF2. And flip it over and eat the flip later.
Like that. Oh. That.
I'm just
oh,
like, okay, it's in backwards
okay.
now, but like, now they all match. Really easy case and you
I
can
mean,
just deal with it.
yeah, this one is like something like
And because you know you don't have the cross color, you don't have your base color on I, you won't need to do the case that's really bad when it's not flipped. So, you'll be alright.
Yeah, okay, right. I mean, I avoid, like, indistinct on I, like, anyway, so...
Mm-hmm.
also in this case with pink, like if the bar was flipped, can't you do like the equivalent of like sledgehammer to like tear it up?
If pink's on I, you can literally just, like, pair them up,
Oh, you just
and then just do the twist that we just did. To
yeah,
insert.
that's true.
Like, it's the best insert. But it's the rarest case.
Wait, oh,
This is just a 3D case, but you have to, like, actually get the...
I
orientation.
don't know what the 3D case is.
Try splitting it and then reattaching it. Like,
Yeah.
move it from
Basic block
the
building,
eye
you need to
face.
build the lasers.
Wait, I need to think, what do I have to do?
Holy shit! 142 with a PLL skip, I think. Wait, this PB. Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Okay. I'll take that.
This is like 0.3 seconds off of what Joe's, right? Or is Josie?
Something like that.
This
It's
is
really close, yeah.
Josie is 141.29. This is about 1 second off.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I see.
1 second off. About halfway there, because I was 2 seconds off, and this is 1 second off, roughly. Okay. Also AO5 potential.
Skill issue here. Wait, what's the skill issue here? Wait, I want to do this and have it be fine, but it's like not fine. Why is it not fine? Everything else lines up.
Maybe try to think of it as like a corner and edge pair in 3D.
I don't know what that is.
It's gonna help it to do.
Okay, wait, get my.
You're gonna have to learn how to do that the easy way or the hard way. So
Yeah.
Oh wait.
oh my god, double arcade gift.
What?
Same arcade gift twice in a row.
Oh, yeah, it's because the other one is the other way around. Okay, right, I see. How do I? I'm really gonna just like fix it.
In 4D, you also just fix it.
Yes, that's true.
This case is in fact trivial.
This case isn't. I can believe it's in fact trivial. It's just that I have such a big skill.
Literally a 3 move up.
146. I think that's AO5 world record. Oh yeah, 150.
Nice.
Okay.
Ooh, close to a 1.4x.
AO5, yeah. Very well could be. Actually, hold on.
Yeah.
Not really. Because... I'd have to get below a 153 for this AO5 to change. It's possible.